Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. Now, in this video, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can change your email on Asana. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am logged into my account on Asana, and every account needs to have an email address associated with it so that people can add or invite you to their workspaces. Now, as you can see, I'm on my homepage, and to get to your settings to change your email, all you have to do is go to the top right. As you can see here, you'll find your profile picture or your profile initials. Call it whatever you want. Just click on that and then go into settings. Once you're here, as you can see, you have your account settings right here. You have your profile, which you can set up, and you have all these tabs at the top: notifications, email forwarding, account, display, apps, and hacks. You're going to want to go into account, and as you can see under manage emails, you have your email that you're currently on, and it will be the preferred notification email. Now, to change your email, all you have to do first is click here, add a new email, and then you'll need to authenticate it first just so you can add it. And once you authenticate and add a new email, you can just click remove next to the original email, and once you're done, that is pretty much it. Your new email will be changed and you'll have a new preferred email address for your account, and it is as easy and simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.